Here's a recipe for a vegetarian bolognese. Using 1 cup of diced onions and 2 cloves of garlic sauteed, followed by 4 cups of lentils pre-washed, and 2 cups of carrots, and about 4 or 5 cups of water. Make sure there's plenty of water on top because we're going to simmer it for about 1.5 hours. And then we're going to double check it like every 15-20 minutes to make sure that it doesn't burn. Again, we want to make sure the heat's not too hot so that it can simmer, not continue rapidly boil, but simmer so that it cooks nice and evenly and doesn't burn. Burnt lentils smell disgusting, just so you know, and are hard to clean. So keep stirring again every 20 minutes to make sure that it's cooked nicely. And then it should be done in about 1 hour, 1.5 hours. But again, add water as needed. And then shortly, we'll be ready. So voila, now we are ready. And we've made enough so we can split it into 2 batches. Then add 1 can of diced tomato and 1 small can of tomato paste, and what other vegetables you want to, and the spices, oregano, paprika, and basil. So stir it together so it looks like a bolognese now, and now it can simmer while the pasta is being cooked. So you'll have drained pasta and bolognese for a delicious vegetarian meal full of nutrition. Bon appetit!